Imagine a stunning condo nestled in a serene, private oasis on a tranquil cul-de-sac. This exquisite property boasts an expansive lanai that puts you up close to the natural beauty of a wildlife preserve. As you approach, you'll appreciate the convenience of an extra-large driveway, ensuring ample parking for you and your guests. For added peace of mind, new metal accordion shutters and roll-down electric shutters on the lanai and front door, providing hurricane protection and security. Upon entering, you will be greeted by tile floors throughout the home. The kitchen has been updated with quartz countertops, backsplash and a ceramic sink with plenty of storage space, newer appliances and a pantry. The primary bathroom has 2 separate sinks, large shower and private toilet room. This condo is being offered turnkey furnished with just a few exceptions for your convenience. Easy walking distance to the amenity center and golf country club. Embrace the tranquility and natural beauty surrounding this remarkable property while enjoying the comfort and convenience of modern living. Text "See It" and send to 239-360-9215 to schedule your showing today.